Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Orina Spice. Today I want to share showing you all how to cook some frozen spinach. It's not fresh frozen, so you could either make it plain or you could add anything to it. So today I have some shrimp which I want to add into it. So it's a very quick video, so you see how I go about making it. You can also make it plain with just plain spinach, but I mean frozen, but it tastes really good. Anyway, here I'm gonna add some pepper, sweet pepper, hot pepper. This is optional. Sometimes you don't want hot pepper. I don't suggest you use it because this is hot. You could just use a sweet pepper, some onion, some garlic, and basically that's all it needs for cooking frozen spinach. See you in the next step. So hey guys, I put my pan on. It's a little wet, so I'm waiting it to dry and get heated. Then I put the oil in. So I'll put like 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So my oil is hot. Well, I'm cooking it with shrimps, which you can also season the shrimps. But this frozen spinach I cook very fast, so. Yeah, as you can see, I put the shrimps in. And you know the shrimp kind of wet with the oil, then splattering all over. Well, we just let it fry a little. So now I put the seasoning in. I give this a few minutes and I add the spinach in. Looking now good. At this time I put the spinach in. This is a frozen spinach. The frozen fresh spinach. And I'm going to add some salt. Well, spinach, you cannot add too much salt because they wither down and they come down very low. And the salt may be too much. So I'm going to let this fry and you're going to see how it's coming along. I put a lid on this and let it cook. Let's check, see what's going on here. As you can see, it's cooking nicely. Looking all good. Just wanted to see how nicely it looks. Let's check, see what's going on here. How our spinach coming. You notice it's almost finished here. See the water already dry out, and is that what you're waiting for? Yeah, when the water dry, coming to the oil, it finished. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes more and it'll finish. I just wanted to see it's nicely cooking there. Okay, let's check, see what's going on here. It's finished now. See, it's looking all glittery because all the oil gone from it. And it finished. And at this time, this is optional, but I'm just gonna put this in. A few real pepper, but this is optional. I want to get to the steam along with this, but it's finished. I'll let you guys I'll take it out, let you guys see how it is. You guys, I also would like you to know that you could make it a vegetarian style by not adding any fish or meat or whatever. You could cook it the same way, excepting just take off the shrimps or fish, whatever, and make it the same vegetarian way style. Thank you guys for watching. Yes, as you can see, my spinach is finished, and I would like you to know that our frozen spinach is very healthy to eat because as they pick it fresh from the farm, they clean it, wash it, and packages, and it's all, you know, frozen nice and fresh. And the thing about it too, you don't have to clean it, you don't have to wash it, and it's already there, just ready to cook. And these are cut up spinach, which I have leaf spinach, but this is the cut up type. And I want you to see that it's nicely done, very nicely done, as you can see it. And it tastes really great. You could use it as a side salad. You could use it with maybe you can eat it with roti, tortitos, rice, anything you want to eat it with. But or you can use it as a side dish. But it's well nicely done. So this is Zoena's Spice. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support and the kind word. You guys have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye bye.